My chef.
Yan.
Flight na niya. Pinagluluto pa niya ako ng fried rice. Mommy's request last. Siguro, baka kasi malimutan mo yung special fried rice mo eh.
Okay.
Diba? Wow. Kainin ni Mommy yan. Thank you, chef.
Welcome, only 50 dirham.
5,000 kaya yan. 5,000 US
Well,
Aussie dollars.
well.
Sabi mo, di ko na ako. So, we'll be in the airport na daw. Anak, I'm gonna miss you. Love you. Thank you for your fried rice. Love you.
Bye guys.
Emirates. Welcome to Emirates, Korea. Again. No crying, Chuchen. Walang bakautan. Kuya, mahal yan. Milyones yan. Ay! It's okay, beautiful ka pa rin. Don't cry. For Kuya future, love you. Okay? Don't cry, anak na. Let's go na. Let's go, trolley. Uy. It's okay na, anak. Let's go. Love mo na. Pray for Kuya, okay? Sasakay pa. Maninay.
Oh, my bag is 1 million kg.
Maninay. Uy. Hindi ka kayo.
It's supposed to be like 15 or something. Yeah, it's like 15, but...
Taka nga ako. Ibabay ka rin pa yan. Anta! Ayaw pala yun.
Hi, nice.
Oh, pila kayong dalawa.
Iiwanan ka na pala ng anak mo.
Ay, kailangan niya ng kumita ng pera na. Kailangan naman kami
makabawi.
na kami na may mapahinga na rin. Di ba? Oh. I miss you, nanay. All old clothes. Old clothes. Cannot be.
Wala lang.
Kuya, mag-iingat ka dun ha. Mga wish, oh. Ingat ka dun. Sabi ko nga, buti kinaya ni Chico maghatid. Ay, buti kinaya ni Chico maghatid.
Wear a hazmat suit. Nah, not hazmat. Huh? A high-vis, the construction suit. And then you would drop it to the gate, bro.
Yeah, this is...
Oh, so sweet. Pabaon ni San dessert mo daw. Ha?
There's not logo, oh.
It's for you.
Wow.
That's from Ninong and Ninang Ochi. Oo. Ninang Ochi. And this is for Santa. Nalimutan na ng Santa ko.
Wow. That's all
Oh, ayan.
they check inside?
Oh, kasi puro hindi mo muna binasa.
Already.
Oh, so,
I love you. Bye-bye. We will love you and we will miss you. Always remind. Bye-bye, Santa.
Ingat, mag-aral ka. It's all blue collection yata yan.
Wow. Nasa tata si Mami dito.
Oo. Wow. O, basahin mo yan na lang sa aircraft. Yeah, take picture. This is the first baby in Dubai duty free. Huh?
Yes?
Kuya, I miss you.
I miss you too.
Take care, anak.
I have fun with you.
Yeah, Tonton Purin always be with you, okay? Take care, anak. Ninong is here. Ninong is here for help you. Don't be sad, okay?
Love you.
Love you. Where's daddy? Is there? Hug daddy. Daddy, Kuya is going inside now, okay? The plane. Pray for him, okay? Yeah, I did. I will show it to you. Kuya read, and then he was so surprised that it's all blue. His favorite.
Kuya, want that
Okay.
Yo. Yes. Yeah. Love you too. See you when I see you.
Bye-bye.
Bring surprise. Yes.
Huwag ka mo lang uwi, masyado ka mabilis.
Yeah.
Oo, long lang. So, kapit ako. Always pray, okay?
Heart.
I release blessing, anak. I release a blessing upon blessing from the Lord, okay? That He will take care of you, He will bless you, He will give you wisdom and protection always, okay? Ate Ida and Maratos families then. Okay, I love you, anak.
Congrats, ate. Thank you.
Ate Ida, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Tito Nonoy and
Thank you.
Jalsa and Justin. Ingat kayo.
Bye-bye.
He's your new brother adopting. Thank you so much. Love you. God bless.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon. Muna, bye-bye na.
Love you.
Oh, bye-bye.
Yan po na.
Ako.
Okay, hindi ko naman susal.
It's like the 800 to buy.
Sige na.
Take care, ha? Oh.
Sige na, bro.
Shopping. Ay, nakakaganyan. Thank you, Tito Eric. You made it. I love you. You're so proud of you. Oh, ingat ka. Ay,
Mama, hindi pa ready.
magbuto. Di pa sura. Ayan po. Oh, ayan. Nakaingat ka din lagi, ha? Oh, ganda pa ng ano.
Shoe hog.
Yeah. Oh. Nak, we are in the gate now. Oh.
Wow.
Ingat ka ha. I love you so much. Dito lang si Mami. Lagi kang mag-chat kay Mami. Okay?
Of course, of course. Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Gapo mo. And then, I have something for you. which
Another
is-
carry? Wow. Okay, thank you
It's
very
for
much.
you, Blue. Love you,
Another
anak.
thing to declare, guys.
Hindi naman. This is a keychain that always remember you. Forever love and Blue. Okay? Talk to this one when you remember Mommy. Salamat. Oh, anong message yung
If
Tito?
you are something confused, anything, I have more experience than your mom.
Oo,
You can
yes.
tell me directly, okay?
Na
If you're
message,
confused,
ano ha, message si
love you.
Tito.
Love you.
Confused, may doubt, anything, Mommy,
I
Tito.
can answer you more.
More.
Love you. Okay?
Last one na.
Yes. Ito ang kadate ko. Love you, na. Love you, Tar. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oo. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, pa-welcome sa'yo ang nacho start. Yeah, ni Daddy. Bye na.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Ngayaan mo na. Bye-bye na.
Love you.
Oh, bye-bye.
Yan po na.
Ako.
Okay, hindi ko naman susal.
Gala. It's like the 800 to buy.
Sige na.
Thank you so much.
Take care, ha? Oh.
Sige na. Go.
Ingat ka. Message ka agad. Shocking.